Place the station on level ground as shown. Undo the two clips that hold the back panel down, then lift it up to gain access to inside. Take the 2-inch to 3/4-inch reducer fitting and wrap the threads in Teflon tape. Then thread it into the bottom bulkhead fitting of the tank using a tool to make sure it is tight. Take the 3/4-inch hose bib and wrap its threads in Teflon tape, then screw it into the opening on the reducer fitting. Take the 1.5-inch threaded adapter and wrap its threads in Teflon tape as well, then screw it into the top bulkhead fitting of the tank. Position the tank underneath the table so that the top bulkhead fitting is facing the downspout of the gutter. Use bolt cutters if necessary to cut out a section to allow more room for the PVC pipe. Next, take the flexible coupling and place it over the downspout. Tighten the hose clamp to keep it from falling off. Take the 90-degree PVC elbow and place it inside the flexible coupling. Tighten the hose clamp to secure it. Apply PVC glue to both fittings, then insert the PVC pipe and push both ends together. You can spray paint the PVC black for a cleaner finish. Place the strainer in the downspout of the gutter. Attach the hose to the hose bib and make sure it is turned on. Attach the float-controlled pan to the other end of the hose. Place some rocks in and around the pan to allow easier access for small wildlife. Use a screwdriver to gain access to the float inside the pan. If necessary, adjust it so the pan maintains being about half full. Place the 25-gallon feeder barrel next to the tank and remove the lid by unhooking the spring on the side. Fill the barrel with about 100 pounds of a simple hen scratch of your choice. Scatter a few handfuls of the feed around the barrel to attract wildlife. Fold the back panel back down and use the clips on both sides to help secure it in place. Pour some water onto the roof to ensure that it is running towards the gutter and down the spout. Use one of the heavier gauge stakes on each corner of the system for extra stability. Use 2 of the curved stakes on each side to help minimize any disturbance from larger wildlife such as feral hogs. Periodically check the feed level and add as necessary. The water tank should remain full as long as there is adequate rain.